Hello friends, hello my subscribers. How are you friends? Hannah, are you familiar to me? Sure, really? You are familiar to me. You know my name is Pramod Kumar Rai, Pramod Serpedian, and I am the teacher of Mother Teresa Public School, Congress Malla Manar. Dear friends, what is the importance of selection in the life? Every event is very important in our life, and every event depends on our selection. So our selection is very important. Our choice is very important. Without choice we can't do good in our life. But some choices are not in our control, not in our hand. We can't choose our mother, our father. We can't choose our birth or death. We cannot decide where we can take our birth, we can die, but we can decide something by the selection. So our selection is very important. Who knows to select the suitable or appropriate thing is the biggest artist of the life. Who knows how can decide the proper work for proper time is the most successful person of the life. So we should follow the path of good selecting, good choosing, and good electing, because without good selection we can't do important in our life. So our failure depends on our bad selecting, misselecting. Our downfalls depends on our misselecting, bad selecting. Our loss also depends on our bad selecting. So if we want to make our life prosperous and rich, so we should follow the path of good selecting. We cannot control the selection of our motherland, but we can select our tongue. Which language should we speak? So we should select, we can select. So always select good. So selecting is at some extent in our hand, in our control. So our work style depends on selecting, our thoughts depends on selecting, our work depends on selecting, and our standard of our language depends on selecting. So select good, speak good, do good, play good, do your business good, and do everything well in your life. So you should select some better thing. Every time is a good time, but if you make that time good, if you use that time good, so that time will be good time. And if you don't use that time good, so that time is not the good time. So this is a time of selection, this is the age of selection. And from the childhood, and since the childhood, a man, a boy, a student selects something for his aim and for his life, and that selection makes him a very big personality, very great personality in the life. So you should select something important, some aims, some targets, some gets for doing better in the life. So today watch this video and this pattern. I am with a very beautiful pattern, and the pattern is based on tense and based on our previous videos. Today's pattern number is स्पोकन इंग्लिश पैटर्न number 40. Today's pattern number is 40, and you have to take a step in the progress of the speaking spoken English. So do, does, subject, verb 1 or verb 1 question mark. This is the pattern of today, and you have to watch and learn and practice, है ना. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इन हिंदी, आप पढ़ते हैं या पढ़ाते हैं. आप पढ़ते हैं या पढ़ाते हैं. डू यू रीड और टीच. डू यू स्टडी और टीच. डू यू स्टडी और टीच. डू यू रीड और टीच. वह सीखता है या नकल करता है. वह सीखता है या नकल करता है. डज ही लर्न और कॉपी. डज ही लर्न और कॉपी. वह सीखता है या नकल करता है. आप नाचते हैं या गाते हैं. आप नाचते हैं या गाते हैं. डू यू डांस और सिंग. डू यू डांस और सिंग, है ना. आप नाचते हैं या गाते हैं. डू यू डांस और सिंग. राधा खाती है या पकाती है. राधा खाती है या पकाती है. डज राधा ईट और कुक. डज राधा ईट और कुक. So dear friends, this is the pattern of today, and you have to understand and practice on this pattern. Do you read or teach? Does he learn or copy? Does he learn or copy? Do you dance or sing? Do you dance or sing? Do you dance or sing? Does Radha eat or cook? Does Radha eat or cook? Does Radha eat or cook? देखा जाए और भी एग्जाम्पल. आप घूस लेते हैं या देते हैं, है ना. डू यू टेक और गिव ब्राइब. डू यू टेक और गिव ब्राइब. आप घूस लेते हैं या देते हैं. डू यू टेक और गिव ब्राइब. वे लोग खर्च करते हैं या कमाते हैं. डू दे स्पेंड और अर्न. डू दे स्पेंड और अर्न. डू दे स्पेंड और अर्न. आप देखते हैं या दिखाते हैं. डू यू सी और शो. डू यू सी और शो. डू यू सी और शो. आप जानते हैं या मानते हैं, है ना. डू यू नो और बिलीव. डू यू नो और बिलीव. तो दिस इज द पैटर्न टुडे. डियर फ्रेंड्स, डियर सब्सक्राइबर्स, माय वेल विशर्स, माय फैंस, माय स्टूडेंट्स एंड माय गार्जियंस, है ना. Really some selections are very valuable in our life. In the beginning of the video I have described you about the matter of selection, है ना. Selecting is a very good quality of human being, है ना. The selection of doing or not doing of the work, the selection of laziness or hard work, the selection of good or bad company. These are some important selections on which our success or our failures depend. So we should follow the path of good selections, because on these selections our character depends, our education depends, our personality depends, our progress depends, and many things of our life depend on the selection of these things. So always select good things, always select good ideas, always select good work, and always select good company. So now this time you are in my company, and in my company you are learning how to speak English properly, confidently and fluently. So this is the matter of enjoyment, and I assure you that you will be in a good company, and in future your future will be bright, and your personality will be bright, and your every activity will be bright, and you can speak English fluently, and there will not be any difficulty in your speaking English. So today I request you to practice over this pattern, and try your best to speak and to practice over all the examples of this pattern, and you will be a good speaker, you will be a good orator in the future. So today I want to take a gap and want to say you see off. So please, goodbye, thank you, thanks a lot, धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.